Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Tango profile to someone. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open Tango application. Click on your profile in the top left corner. Now click on your username at the top. Click on the arrow icon just beside pencil icon in the top section of your screen. You can directly share your profile in WhatsApp and also share it to your Instagram story. Similarly, you can also copy the link of your profile and send it to people through different social media accounts. So that is how you can share your Tango profile to someone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.